Hey creative, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. Today I'm going to show you how I printed on glass and wood to make these custom ornaments using the Crio white toner printer. As always, everything will be linked in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure that bell notification is on so you don't miss any of my upcoming craft tutorials. Alright creative, so to start off this project we're going to go, I'm using canva.com, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit create a design. I'm going to select my size, which is going to be 8.5 by 11. And then just to help me size everything and make sure it fits good on the ornament or whatnot, I'm going to go ahead over here to Elements and I'm going to use a circle frame. Just scroll down a little bit and it's right under frames, and I'm just going to hit the circle. And then I'm going to size it to about 3. My ornaments are about 3 inches, so I'm going to do about 3.1. Just to give it a little bit of extra. I'm going to duplicate this. Okay, so we'll just go with 4 for now. And let me see, then I'm going to go over to my uploads and I'm just going to insert all the pictures that I want to use for this project, right? So I'm going to go ahead and scroll and find my pictures and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my pictures and let me see. Let's kind of move everything out the way. Okay, so I'm just going to take them and drop them. And if you need to do a little bit of adjustments, you just double click on the picture. And you can do, move it around as needed. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and do all of that. Crop this one. Oops. Undo. But I do need another circle, so I'm just going to go ahead and click it and duplicate it. Drop it in there. Double click. And just make a little bit of adjustments. And I have room for another one, so I'm just going to grab another one. Oh. Duplicates. And if you want to take the picture out the frame, you just click it, right click, and right here where it says detach image, you could take it out and change the picture if you want it, or you could just drop another picture right on to it. So find another image. Alright, so I have all my pictures I want to use, so now I'm just going to go ahead over to share. I'm going to hit download. And I want a transparent background. Now to have a transparent background, that is a Canva Pro feature. So if you don't have Canva Pro, you can try it for free for 30 days with the link in my description box. And I'm just going to take this size up a little bit until it's at least 3200 pixels. So right there, just so it'll be not blurry, like, nice crisp images or whatever. So I have everything and we're going to go ahead and hit download. I have our download. Now I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop it over into the Crio software. And this software is included with the price of the printer. It didn't drag and drop, but that's okay. I can just go ahead and open. And it automatically mirrors everything for us. And honestly, that's all we have to do for this project, okay? Like, everything is good. I'm using the Forever Laser Dark multi-surface paper, 8.5 by 11, And I'm just going to go ahead and select this, and then I'll hit print, and we'll move over to the printer and complete the project. Okay, so here's the Forever Multi-Transfer Pro paper that I'll be using for this project. And I'm going to use the multi-purpose tray on the Crio 8432. So I'm going to go ahead and load it with the white side up and the text on the bottom. You want to print on the actual white side, okay? And so here it is straight off the press, and it does print dull, but that's okay. It's supposed to do that, so don't freak out, all right? And this ornament I'm using, I think it's crystal, might be glass. You know what? Honestly, I don't even know. So the glass ornament that I'm using, I actually got from a seller on Etsy. And of course, I'll be leaving that linked for you in the description box of this video. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's pretty thick, and when the light catches the sides, it's very beautiful. And as you can see, it came packaged really pretty in that red box as well. Now here's some wood pieces that I actually made myself with my Glowforge Aura. So I'm going to be pressing onto those as well. So while I'm waiting for everything to go ahead, my heat press to heat up, I'm just going to go ahead and cut out all my pieces. And I'm pressing both the wood and glass at 275 degrees. The glass is going to be pressed for 60 seconds and the wood for 35, okay? Now you definitely need a heat press pillow for this project, okay? And that's going to cushion the bottom just so it's not so much force and it doesn't break. You're supposed to have a silicone pad, but I didn't have one, and I mean my project still came out great. So I mean, it may help better because I did end up cracking one of these. Maybe if I had a silicone pad, it wouldn't have happened. I'm not sure, but you know, I'm just throwing that out there for you. But you definitely need a pressing pillow, and you want your pressure firm, okay? Like not too firm where it's going to break, but definitely firm enough that the transfer is actually going to transfer. And it is very hot when you peel it off, so be very careful about that. And I did a hot peel, okay? So a hot peel is basically peeling it while it's still hot. I didn't give it a chance to cool off, all right? And it turned out amazing. I absolutely love, I can't say love enough how beautiful this is. And like, honestly, the camera does it no justice. You should really see this in person and on the tree. So I'm basically going to go ahead and repeat that same process for the wood ornaments. And fun fact, I accidentally left the masking on the wood ornaments and I pressed it. But I mean, it was a happy mistake because it came out perfect. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to roll with it. Okay. But as far as I know, you can press this onto like unmasked wood. But if you happen to leave the masking on, it's not going to ruin anything, okay? So you can do it either or. And I'm just so blown away on how you can just print on so many different items with this Crio white toner printer. Like, it's literally amazing. So for my Glowforge ornaments, it does have a little top piece right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue those on. I did some with acrylic, like that's a red acrylic. I did some with some wood that I just went ahead and painted white. And is this not beautiful? Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. Like, this is so gorgeous. And I made some for myself, made some for my family that I'm going to be giving out as gifts. And I actually did this one as like a shaker ornament, right? Those are like little grad caps in there. Ah, that's so cute. But yeah, everything will be listed in the description box of this video. And of course, if you like this video, you learned something new, please give your girl a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Happy holidays, you guys. Merry Christmas. Please be safe, okay? Everybody, please be safe during this holiday season. And these are great gifts. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. What do you think? And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.